Introducing a foolproof stop snoring solution. Many people out there have to deal with snoring, whether it's done by them or their spouse. This can lead to many nights of fitful sleep, causing fatigue the following day. Fortunately, there is typically a stop snoring solution that will work for everyone. The idea is to try the following methods and continue those that work well for you. Firstly, one needs to avoid smoking and alcohol. These two activities do nothing but promote snoring. Smoking helps block the airways by creating congestion within the nose and throat. This blockage will lead to poor breathing and snoring will typically occur. Alcohol can help to relax the soft tissue linings in your breathing passages, causing a different form of obstruction that can also lead to snoring. Refraining from both cigarettes and alcohol beverages can be an effective stop snoring solution. Another stop snoring solution is to lose weight. Being overweight can put a strain on your lungs and other areas that are responsible for breathing. Those who exceed their healthy weight ranges typically have increased fat around the neck, which can minimize the air passages responsible for breathing. This is why many larger people experience snoring. For most sufferers, a drastic weight loss is not really required to solve the problem. Losing just 10% of your body weight can be enough to keep your snoring under control. Elevation. Keeping your head higher than the rest of your body while resting is a great stop snoring solution. This will help to open the airways and cause you to breathe more freely and air to flow in and out of the lungs. This elevation can be done simply by adding an extra pillow or two at night under your head. Some snoring sufferers prefer to elevate the head by placing blocks underneath the bedposts. This keeps them from being uncomfortable from too many pillows while still eliminating the issue of snoring. Alter your sleeping positions. The most common position for people to snore in is lying on their backs. This allows the airways to become easily blocked by congestion of weak tissues in the nose and throat. Rolling over onto your side can prevent the obstruction and alleviate the problem. The trouble that many people find is staying off of their backs throughout the entire night. This can be done with a body pillow firmly positioned along your back. Nasal strips are also used to prevent snoring. Many people use breathing strips as their stop snoring solution. These devices help to relieve congestion, which allow the air to flow properly throughout the nasal cavity. These will only be effective if the problem of snoring is originating in your nose. Oftentimes, the nasal strips do not work. In that case, you need to find another remedy.